This one's a quick one, designer. As you are working, take pictures. Take screenshots if you're working on coding or graphic design that you're not going to print out. If you make a physical product, take pictures. Use your camera that's built into your laptop. Use Photo Booth is the application that allows you to quickly take those pictures or video. But record the journey. Have you ever walked by or seen somebody who is sketching a portrait of somebody, or maybe sketching the architecture that's around them or the scene that they're looking at? And have you stopped and watched that story develop as the artist is putting it on the page? Or have you seen a show, maybe Bob Ross or one of the other shows where they build something on stage while you watch, whether that's a painting, a sketch, a physical thing, a Lego tower? Have you had that experience of watching something come together and being a piece of the process, being an audience for that happening? It's interesting. Most people will stop and look at somebody who's doing that on the street. It's fascinating to us to see it develop. And by taking pictures, you will be sharing with your audience, which is me, your parents, and anybody else who's interested in you as a designer, what your journey was like. You can post them on your blog. You can save them and build a portfolio piece. There's lots of professional portfolios out there that you can go look at if you're interested in what that looks like in a professional design scenario. You might build a Google Doc that tells the story of this particular design and how it came together. But if you don't have any pictures, it's hard to tell that story. So please make use of your camera frequently. If not every class, at least every week that you're in here, you should be taking a few pictures of what's going on, no matter where you are in the process. Whether that's a bunch of failed models that didn't do what you want them to do. By the way, that's awesome. That's design. Or whether it's that final model that's totally working the way you want. Or whether it's your first explorations to see, is this going to come out the way I want? Maybe I want to try this or that or this other thing. All of those are interesting parts of the story for the design that you're building. So take pictures.